Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hi everyone. In this video I will be doing the fourth question from the file of question 2 of the coverage of a grade 11 ASP. So, a container has the shape of an open right circular cone as shown in the figure above. The height of the container is 10 centimeters and the diameter of the opening is 10 centimeters. Water in the container is evaporating so that its depth h is changing at the constant rate of -3/10 centimeters per hour. Notice that the volume formula of the cone is given 1/3 pi r squared h. Okay, so what's happening here? We have a cone filled with water. The water is evaporating, so the height of the depth of the water inside is decreasing, right? So this amount here is h, and dh over dt is equal to -3/10. Okay, now here we have r capital, it's half of the 10, which will be 5, and this is, let's name it h capital. The height of the cone is 10. It's not changing. H capital is not changing because it's constant. R capital, it's not changing. It's equal to 5 all the time. So what's happening exactly here? We have a cone, right? It's filled with water. The water is evaporating. So let's name this as R small, and this is as H small, and this one here as R capital, and this is the whole height is H capital, right? So R here is equal to 5 and this H is equal to 10, but R is changing, right? That means there is dr over dt, and this H small is changing, so there is dH over dt, which is given. It's not unknown, it's given. It's equal to -3/10. -3/10. Now, I haven't started with part A yet, right? So here I can see two similar triangles, right? Here I can see two similar triangles. So if I just sketch this graph here, I have here 5, here I have R. Here I have H, and here I have what? 10. I can set a proportion now, like 5/10 equals R over H. I can isolate R, right? So 5/10, it can be written as 1/2 equals R over H. Yani, we can say that R equals 1/2 times h. The height is half, the radius is half of the height. Now, after decomposing the figures like this, we can start with part A. Part A says, find the volume V of the water in the container when h equals 5. Okay, so there is no derivative in part A. There is no rate of change. It says find the volume. The volume is given by 1/3 times pi times r squared times h. Unfortunately, we don't have r, right, when h is equal to 5, but I can make use of the thing I've done here, right? I can put this one here. So this is going to be 1/3 times pi. Instead of r now, I can put 1/2h all squared times h. So the volume will equal to what? 1/3 times pi times 1/2 squared is 1/4. H squared is equal to, let's write it as 5 squared times 5. So the volume, when the height is equal to 5, the volume will be 125 over 12, I'm looking at the answer key, over 12 pi centimeter cubed. This is the volume. right? The volume is equal to 125 over 12 pi centimeter cubed. We just eliminated the radius because we don't know what the radius is. We replaced it with half h. Okay. Now the second part says find the rate of change of the volume. يعني we need to find dV over dt when h is equal to 5. Okay. Let's find for part B. Let's write the volume formula. It's 1 over 3 times pi times r squared times h. We don't know anything about r, so let's eliminate r. So this is 1 over 3 times pi. Instead of r, we can write 1 over 2h times h. Before doing the derivative, we're still writing the volume. So this is squared, sorry. 1 over 2 squared is 1 over 4. Times 1 over 3, it will be 1 over 12. And this is pi. And h squared times h will be h cubed. Now we eliminated r. Now we have a relation that connects v and h. We can easily differentiate. dv over dt equals 3 over 12 pi times h squared times dh over dt. What we can do now is just we can substitute 3 over 12 times pi times the height is equal to 5 squared, and dh over dt it's minus 3 over 10. And if you just use your calculator to find the answer, that is going to be minus 15 over 8 pi centimeter cubed over or per hour, because it's a volume. So this is dV over dt, the rate of change of the volume. It's negative because the volume of the water is decreasing since the water is evaporating. Anyway, part C says show that the rate of change of the volume in the container due to evaporation is directly proportional to the exposed surface area of the water. So for part C, the rate of change of the volume, which is dV over dt, is directly proportional. That means there is a constant of proportionality k, directly proportional to the exposed surface area of the water, which will be area, right? The area of the surface of the water, which is a circle, right? So dV over dt, I'm sure we have did it in the previous part, which is this amount. Let me just put a box on this amount. This is dV over dt. This is what? dV over dt. So let's just copy it here. 3 over 12 pi h squared dh over dt equals k, where k is the constant of a proportionality. We are finding it, right? Times what? Times the area of the surface of the water. It's a circle, so it's pi r squared, right? We agreed at the beginning that we don't know anything about r, so we must eliminate r. In part A, we found that r equals 1 over 2h. So take this amount and replace it here. So this is going to be what? 3 over 12 pi h squared dh over dt equals k times pi. Instead of r, we will put 1 over 2 h, but all squared, right? So 3 over 12 pi h squared dh over dt equals k times pi times 1 over 4 times h squared. I distributed the power. Now, what can we cancel from both sides? I can cancel pi with pi. I can cancel h squared with h squared, right? Now I can replace dh over dt with its value. Here I have 3 over 12 times dh over dt is minus 3 over 10 given in the question, equals k times 1 over 4. Now, sorry, 1 over 4 should be yeah, 1 over 4. No, it's already squared. Yeah, 1 over 4. Now use your calculator to solve for k. 3 times minus 3 is minus 9 over 120 equals k times 1 over 4. Now just multiply here by 4 over 1 and here by 4 over 1. This is simplifies to what? K equals, let's just use the calculator quickly. We've got 9 over 120 times 4, this is negative 3 over 10. So the constant of proportionality will be minus 3 over 10. This is part C. I hope this was clear. I wish you all the best.